All right, so a common problem we see a lot when people are making copies is there's a line on the copy. We're going to go through the steps of how you troubleshoot that and resolve your line on your copy. So we're making a test copy here. Big line. So what you can do is you can take this out, the printed page, set it on the flatbed, and that will show you where to concentrate your cleaning. And it's always going to be on this small glass. Can you zoom in on that there, Whitey? There you go. Always going to be on the small glass. It feeds through here and scans on this small glass the entire time. That's why you get the complete line. So we're going to take a rag. You can use a paper towel, Windex. It's no different than the glass at your house. Sometimes a little fingernail helps with whiteout or greasier substances. So we got that clean. Make another copy. And there it is. You got clean copies for the rest of the day.